Today is a very special day on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with Thomas and his friends in an amazing train set that magically comes to life. Collect many new toys to build and customize your train set your way. Today, all the engines will be really useful. Can't wait to see what you'll build today. Choose a direction. Right leads to the rolling bridge. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. Well done! Just spin the wheel to rotate the turntable. Good job! You helped your engine be really useful. Take your pick of any surprise you like. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Where should we go next? Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Left leads to Knapford Station. Knapford Station is just ahead. The engines love that. Left leads to the Crazy Coaster Mountain. Right leads to the Lava Quarry. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Super! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Left leads to the Crazy Coaster Mountain. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. A new wagon? Your engine would love to pull that. Super! Bust my buffers! Where should we go next? Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Left leads to the Crazy Coaster Mountain. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right. Excellent! Super! I think your engine wants to do that again. Time to pick a special surprise. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Where should we go next? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to The rolling bridge. The rolling bridge is right over there. The boat has to make some important deliveries. Would you wind up the bridge so it can pass? Excellent! Thanks for helping your engine out. Choose a new surprise pack. Help your engine find the surprise pack. Excellent! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Bubbling boilers! Some sheep have wandered off from the farm. Can you... Well done! Buffers and bumpers. Just drag the sheep and drop them in their pen. Your engine had such a good time. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Where should we go next? Right leads to the town square station. Left leads to the haunted castle. Right leads to Henry's Tunnel. Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Oh no! Looks like the tunnel has collapsed. Can you help piece it all back together? Bubbling boilers! Drag the broken pieces back into their spot on the bridge. Ah! Bust my buffers! Perfect. You helped your engine be really useful. Choose a new surprise pack. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. The engines love that. Great! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Where should we go next? Left, the great Waterton station is coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. That's the way. Fizzling fireboxes. Well done. Your engine had such a good time. You've Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make your engine go, go, go! That was very exciting.